Hi everyone, we wanted to just take a minute to remind you about this year's hurricane season. A lot of people have been talking how it seems like the hurricane season has been kind of dead so far. The real propensity for hurricanes is upon us. September 10th is statistically the most likely day in the year to have a tropical cyclone, the real name for a hurricane. So it takes all this time for the solar radiation to heat up the North Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico. So now's the time to make sure you're ready with your hurricane kit. What does that mean? Anticipate potentially being 2 weeks without any electricity and 2 weeks without being able to use the restroom. Understand that Florida up to Gainesville is flat like a pool table, so most of the facilities, unless you have a septic tank, everything's on lift stations. So you need to make arrangements, some way to go to the bathroom in case we lose all our power for a while. And you need some water, you need 2 weeks worth of water and some food to eat, just to be ready so that you're not looking for somebody else to help you, so you've already taken care of that. Most of the storms that make it to the United States start out over Africa. The disturbances are churned aloft by the mountain ranges in Ethiopia. They cause disturbances to come across the Sahara Desert and come out at the islands at the edge of Africa. The name escapes me for a minute, Cape Verde Islands. And now they're exposed to the water vapor of the North Atlantic Ocean. And as long as they're at least 5 degrees north of the equator, there is spin available from the Coriolis effect of the planet Earth spinning, and now we have the potential growth of a tropical cyclone, or what we call a hurricane. So this is the time of the year to make sure you're ready if you're not already ready. Like I said, most of the hurricanes that have impacted Florida have taken place in September, and there's even a little window into the beginning of October. So we want to be ready for that. You want to be ready that you're ready for the storm. You want to keep an eye on it. And watch the tropical weather parts of the news. Most of the TV channels on their online websites have a tropical weather section where you can follow not only something that's active, but it gives you all the overall information. How much dust is coming over the North Atlantic from the Sahara, and how much water vapor and what the temperature is of the water in the North Atlantic and in the Gulf of Mexico. The sea surface temperature, SST, only needs to be 80 degrees Fahrenheit to have enough energy to fuel a hurricane. And anything above that's telling you it's ripe. Conditions are really good to start a hurricane. And most of the TV station websites have a graphic just depicting that. So that's what we want you to know about. Be thinking about it. Don't worry about it. Just take active steps. You should be ready for anything to happen anyway. And that's what I have for you from here. I'm Dr. Bartuska with the Florida Aviation Network.